Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you on how to do the command line arguments in Python. So basically the method I'm going to show you, there are three methods you can use to get the command line arguments, but basically I'm going to explain using the SYS. So you import SYS from Python, that's been installed with Python. So import SYS. So we are going to get the command line argument. So basically it's simple. So let's first print the SYS dot argument here like that. So that's basically going to print all the arguments in the command line. And you can get maybe the length of the arguments passed in the command line. So s dot that you can get the length. The other thing is the first argument from the command line is always the program itself, the .py. So let's see the first program. Let's pass this first. It's like SYS. So that's how you get the first argument like that. So the second, just use the index. Just change the index. The second is 1. The third equals to index 2 like that. And when you get maybe an argument that doesn't exist, definitely you will get an error from the command line or from the program itself. If you access an argument that doesn't exist, so or maybe you can just loop through the arguments. For I in range, pass in the length of the arguments like that. Then you access them print. You can just print the line. Then you can print the SOS using the indexes. The arguments in the indexes you just pass I. So it's going to give you all the arguments. So let's see. That's definitely how you access the arguments in a command line. So let's see. Let's run and see. You can pass in like A, hello. So you can see the first is always the name of the program. The second now it's hey. The third is hello. So you can and after looping, that's how you on looping, that's how you access them. So definitely that's how you do the command line arguments in Python. If you have any question, maybe furthermore you want more advanced ways on this, or you can there's a problem you're having on this command line arguments, maybe you can ask in the comment section below. So but that's all, nothing much about accessing the command line arguments in Python. Thank you.